Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door's opening direction. First, let's assess your current door. Stand on the side where the door opens towards you. If the hinges are on your left, it's a left-hand door. If they are on your right, it's a right-hand door. Understanding this initial step is crucial for planning your reversal. Consider how the new swing will impact your room's flow and furniture placement for optimal functionality and convenience. This simple assessment sets the stage for a successful project. Now, let's gather the necessary tools for this project. You'll need a screwdriver, a sturdy chisel, and some shims. Begin by carefully removing the door from its frame. This is typically done by tapping out the hinge pins from the bottom up. Once the door is free, gently detach the existing hinges from both the door and the frame. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the wood. Preparing your workspace and tools properly ensures a smooth and efficient process. With the old hinges removed, it's time to prepare for the new swing. First, fill the old hinge mortises with wood filler or wood putty, allowing it to dry completely. Next, precisely measure and mark the new hinge locations on both the door and the frame. Use a sharp chisel to carefully create new mortises for the hinges, ensuring they are exactly the right depth and size. Installing the hinges flush is key for professional finish and proper door function. Finally, let's rehang and adjust your newly rehanded door. Carefully lift the door and align the new hinges with the pins, reinserting them to secure the door in its frame. Test the door's swing, opening and closing it several times to ensure smooth operation. Make any necessary adjustments to the hinges for perfect alignment. Lastly, install the strike plate and latch mechanism on the new side, ensuring the door closes securely and latches properly for complete functionality and privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.